Alice has 24 apples. In how many ways can she share them with Becky and Chris so that each of the three people has at least 2 apples? A. 105. B. 114. C. 190. D. 210. E. 380. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let A, B, and C be the number of apples Alice, Becky, and Chris get. The three amounts add up to 24, and each one must be at least 2. Here is the trick. Give each person their 2 required apples first. Write A as A prime plus 2, B as B prime plus 2, and C as C prime plus 2. Now A prime, B prime, and C prime can be any number from 0 upward. Substituting back, the 6 guaranteed apples come out of the 24, and A prime plus B prime plus C prime equals 18, where each is 0 or more. This is a stars and bars problem. We are splitting 18 identical apples among 3 people using 2 dividers. The number of ways is 20. Choose 2. Which is 20 times 19 over 2? Equal to 190. So there are 190 ways. The answer is 190, choice C.